Keep at it. Unpacking the phrase. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the popular English phrase, keep at it. Ever heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also know how to use it correctly in conversations. Let's dive in. Often, English phrases have both literal and figurative meanings. When we say, keep at it, in a literal sense, we're talking about two main words. Keep, which means to continue or maintain, at it. This refers to an activity or task. So, literally, it means to continue doing a specific activity or task. While the literal meaning is straightforward, this phrase is most commonly used in a figurative sense. When someone says, keep at it, they are usually 1. Encouraging persistence, suggesting you should continue trying even if things are tough. 2. Expressing belief, showing they believe you can achieve what you're aiming for if you don't give up. Imagine you're learning to play a musical instrument, and it's challenging. A friend might say, keep at it, meaning, don't give up. Keep practicing, and you'll get better. To get a clearer picture, let's see some examples. 1. After trying to solve a puzzle for hours, you might feel frustrated. Your friend might comfort you by saying, keep at it. You're almost there. 2. A student struggling with math might be advised by their teacher, it's hard now, but keep at it, and you'll understand eventually. 3. In a fitness scenario, if someone is finding it tough to complete their exercises, a trainer might motivate them with, come on, keep at it. You're doing great. There you have it. Keep at it is more than just a simple phrase. It's an expression of encouragement and belief. It's a beautiful example of how English is not just about words, but also about emotions and intent. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language learning is a journey, and if you ever feel stuck, just keep at it. Happy learning!